Welcome students. Today we are going to do the program number 5. This is a practical session and we are going to perform the program number 5. So today's program is write a Python program to find the sum of the series. The series is 1 plus x square plus x cube ... It will go up to the x to the power n. So 1 means nothing but the x to the power 0 and the series will continue in this way up to n. So over here I have to take the value of n as well as the value of x from the user. So in this line I have written n equals to int input enter the value of n. Means we are asking the value of n from the user and convert it into integer and store the number into n. In the next line we are performing the same operation, but here we are asking for the value of x. X equals to int input enter the value of x. The user will provide the value of x, and by using the input statement we will convert it in an integer by using this explicit type conversion, and then we will store the number inside x. Now over here we are taking the variable that is called sum of series and initialize a number with 0. Over here we are using a loop, and loop will go from I in range n plus 1. Why n plus 1? Because we have to take the value up to n. That's why we have taken one digit extra. That's why n plus 1. So sum of series equals to sum of series plus pow. Pow means it will create the power. This is the base and this is the power. And after that we will print the number, print the sum of series, and the sum of the value of the sum of the series will be printed. So I've already saved the program. Now we will run it. Run module. It will ask you for the value of n. Suppose I'm giving the value of n as 6. Pressing enter, now it will ask you for the value of x. Suppose I am giving the value of x as 2. Enter. So the sum of the series will be 127. So all you have to do is to write this program. Thank you. See you in the next video.